think those are really key, really important. You can get down into the details and really start to highlight some projects that we can work on. So I've already have a few projects in that we're going to start kicking off and start investigating for potential solutions down the road. So really you get that one-to-one, working through individual problems and building relationships as well. I had a total of 7 meetings over the 2 days. Already have follow-ups planned with all 7, or no, with 6 of the 7. So within the next few weeks, we're catching up on new projects we're going to kick off. Even had some projects we're going to start outside of some of the one-to-one meetings, which is just during the event. So it's been very beneficial.